Hi, I'm David Gathings from Arkansas, and I just want to share with you that what's happening in the Amazon rainforest is not natural at all. It is because of the direct energy weapons and geoengineering that's going on right now behind all closed doors. And yeah, I had a friend that was asking for proof. I mean, hey, you can definitely say you want to see proof all the reptilians or the global elite is doing this. But my question poses as, if you was doing something illegal and so secretive, why would you want to give proof that it is actually you doing that? What these direct energy weapons do is an invisible beam of energy that can, I'm trying to find the right word here. The invisible beam hits you right on contact and make the cells of your body react in such a way where you go the other way, even if you had an AK-47 and was going to shoot the military straight in the forehead. These direct energy weapons can be flown from very high up in the sky, and they can be undetectable as well. As our technology advances, the military and geoengineering they're doing, and with the direct energy weapons, it keeps on getting more advanced and more advanced to the point where you can't even notice them up in the sky. You think the technology back there, back in the 1940s, is obsolete today? The technology they had back in the 1940s, let me say this, was a time travel and all these secretive operations that's going on in Area 51. I am calling to the spiritual leaders. I'm calling to the gurus, the spiritual people, and all these Facebook groups right now. Please wake up and know what's going on behind closed doors. There's nothing to be messed with. All these political, religious, pharmaceutical, monetary systems are in cahoots with one another. And I just wanted to present to you that you can sing the new you sound. The new you, you, you. Ask for the real guidance to help you wake up to help you see what is really going on in this world. As the real guys give you guidance, you will begin to recognize things in your dreams. The new you calls them the dream visions. I had a dream the other night, and I must tell of the dream. Let me pull it up real quick. My dream experience, kids by a hot tub and pool and swimming. And there was this girl there too. Don't know exactly why she was there. While that was happening, I knew something was going on with the sky because I heard the sound. And then the event happened. What event I'm referencing to, I don't know. It was like a boom sound, like a very loud boom sound. So to continue with the dream experience, I had to think more of what happened in the scene. Me and the girl did interact, but it has I do remember somehow the swimming pool, and the next scene is related. It was about this red scooter. I was waiting on someone to finish using it, pass it along to me. So when I got to drive the scooter, I can keep it balanced enough to drive it, and it was a short scene too. I remember accelerating while it was falling over. I remember it had a clutch lever, another lever, and the one on the right side, the accelerator, to make it go to accelerate. You have to press on the 2 on the right side. The next scene was the sound in the sky. Next moment, I do remember I was at this very steep hill, and it looked as if boulders were blasted. At this part of the dream, I do remember something up in the sky, like a ship or something that had a directed laser. I remember this being at this hill or mountainside because others were there with me. I was holding myself up, hanging on to something. So I seen the vision where to the right of me had been hit by a speeding rocket laser, which means that laser I seen, it blasted the boulders. It blasted the mountainside, and all these large rocks and boulders came crashing down, and I could view it on the ground below. So the boulders came crashing down. The incline on this hill / mountain side was too steep to try to climb it yourself, as I was having a hard time doing. So this person was pushing me to go up and get on the flat surface. I don't know how far I was down on the hill for. The next part is when I was at the top and remember about to be on the flat part, but soon realized it was a gate or something at the top. But maybe it was made using like 2x4 2x4s, 2x2s. It was like real sturdy, like a gate or something, but it was clear. No fencing or anything. So this guy was trying to hold on to me as I was trying to go up and stand on the flat part. Had his arms wrapped around me, so I just decided to fall down. Thing is, I don't remember going down the steep hill, but rather instantly being at the bottom. I then saw a picture of me and my brother hanging on this wall, and there was no privacy except when we go to the bathroom. Other than this, I don't remember the rest. I believe I do. When I was at the bottom of the valley down there, I don't exactly remember what it was, but that was my dream experience. More to come. And thanks for listening. Make sure you subscribe at the bottom of this video, and click that notifications bell, because once a week I will come out with a video or audio to put on YouTube. And thank you for listening.